Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Teamwork.com's discussion boards for team collaboration. First up, you'll need to create a new discussion board. On your Teamwork interface, click on the Add icon and select Discussion Board. This helps us because it allows the entire team to participate in conversations and keep track of decisions. Now that we've done that, it's time to add your team members. There's a section called Invite People to this discussion. Click on it and start adding your team members' email addresses. The reason we do this is to ensure that everyone relevant is looped into the conversation. Next up, let's create your first discussion. Under the New Discussion tab, you can add a title and description. Try to be as specific as possible to keep the conversation focused. This is important because it provides a clear directive for your team to follow. Now, let's engage with the discussion. You can add comments, attach files, or even assign tasks within a discussion. Let me explain why this matters. This feature allows you to turn ideas into action items instantly, keeping your projects moving forward effectively. The final step is to manage your discussions. You can archive old discussions, pin important ones, or even move them to different boards. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you manage your discussions properly, you are essentially organizing your team's ideas and inputs in a way that is accessible and easy to refer back to. Now that you've mastered these steps, you're all set to use Teamwork.com's discussion boards for team collaboration. Remember, effective communication is the key to successful teamwork, and this platform is designed to make that process seamless. That's all for today's tutorial. Keep exploring and happy collaborating.